We're absolutely where nobody would ever find us. We've crossed 3 lakes. Bringing the boats over from the other side. We've already crossed the lake.
Who do we got with us?
Ontario Preppers here.
Yeah. Hi everyone. Guess what? We're going fishing. What happened?
Riley's brought the pillows.
Alex forgot the pillows.
So Riley's got pillows.
Riley's got a pillow. Ontario Prepper has 2 pillows.
2 pillows.
We have 0 pillows. They have no tent.
Let's make a trade off. Prep away!
We're murdering.
Prep away.
Yeah, we're gonna be bartering.
Yeah.
Who wants a tent? Who wants a pillow?
I'm
Yeah.
sleeping on a big rock with an air mattress. 2 pillows.
We're gonna have to make pillows. Maybe we can collect some cattails.
Yeah.
We got this.
Pillows.
We got this.
We got it.
We got it.
We're good.
We don't even have a tarp. We got it all.
Prepper holiday.
Yeah. We're on holidays.
Prepper holidays,
What do you have
everyone.
to do? You guys got to get out.
Prep, hooray!
And do the stuff.
Know your people, do this stuff.
Yep.
Use your gear.
Find the food.
100%. We're going fishing! Woo! Stitchberry! Oh. Stitchy!
Scarlet.
All aboard!
All aboard is coming aboard.
Watch your toes.
Watch my drink there.
Now, since Riley gets the hot spot. Well, I want the hot spot, everybody.
Got all the gear.
Dad, I got a spot for you. Right here, Dad, if you want.
Riley's got the shotgun.
Wow.
I got a shotgun seat, I should say. Woo! Where you going there, Dad?
You can have this
We're
spot.
headed this way.
Okay.
Um,
Woo.
Now,
It's hot in here.
Shuggy, if you want, we can put that stuff back there.
No, I'm good. Unless Kevin wants to sit here with me. It might be better. I don't know.
we can probably sit right up here.
Yeah.
just pass me
Shift some
that.
stuff around.
Okay, we're in.
Shift some stuff around.
All aboard!
You leave it all alone or you'll take a chill out of you.
Okay, we're all set.
We're moving.
Oh, look
I got a hot dog on me now. Hot dog. God says, what the hell is Riley doing in my seat?
Yeah, Riley, you're cruising with the new cruiser. Oh yeah, baby. Hey Riley, I think it's a little too heavy on your side.
Sort of reminds me of when I was in the Army riding around an armored personnel carrier.
Yeah.
Sort of getting that same feeling, you know?
Yeah.
So it brings back a lot of memories.
Yeah. Geared up.
Amsterdam area. No whiskey driving through. There's still a pike on it, probably.
Oh yeah?
Okay.
Pull a pike in there? Okay. Looks a little low, but I'll think it works.
Definitely off grid. Nobody, not even Justin Trudeau. Nobody's finding us here.
No, right?
Nobody. I don't care who you are. You won't find us here.
Well, looks like a lobster mushroom.
First bird.
First bird.
Yeah.
Okay, kiddo. Okay, we've made the destination. All right.
I'll have to sit on that side.
Who? All of us?
We're gonna have to sit.
Sit by your dad, Riley, so we can balance the weight up.
The dog is too big. We're floating. Woo! Floating time.
bringing the boats over from the other side. We've already crossed the lake. We are absolutely where nobody would ever find us. We've crossed 3 lakes. We've landed. The Eagle has landed.
And we're here. Land ho!
My boy. Have a good trip. Hey, you like that?
Oh, we got a fire.
Wow. Beautiful.
You forgot your aluminum foil last time? I found it. Look at it.
Alex.
Yeah, my friend.
I think this knife is good enough.
There it is. Need a stick.
Poke him in there. Oh.
Down.
Get in there.
Stick. In the last
Ooh,
there we go. There we go.
Ooh.
One down.
Yeah.
Oh, there's another one.
Come on, Ontario Prepper. Yeah.
There we go, 2. Red belly
Gross.
leeches.
Oh, so gross. Late night. Beach collection. Bait, man.
Oh, these fish are gonna be big. We're eating these.
Yeah. Right here.
That frog.
Ontario got a froggy.
We got a nice contraption for it.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe that doesn't work.
It's all good. We're gonna put that out. Hopefully we catch a big Walter.
Put both mouths together.
Oh, together?
Yeah, straight up. There we go.
Now just cast it out quickly.
Yeah, I've never used one of these before.
Me neither. I think I want maybe to have not one of these. Feel the heat coming off there? It's going. Feel the heat coming off. It's going. Yep. Oh, down. It's going.
Two-hour burn time it says on there.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Give it a go.
Right. Jabby. Jabby.
Good promotion.
Yeah, it was boiling. You're good. Just gotta add the jabby.
I figure you put the water in first. Dissolve a lot easier. Sure.
I got a brand new canteen cup too that it's in the garage. Good place for it, eh?
Yep. Don't make the mistake twice.
Oh wow.
So let's use a stick.
Comes with 2 straws, stainless steel.
want to have something like this is actually, you know, it makes it easy to pack. And if you're really jonesing
Right.
caffeine,
Yeah.
it's better than nothing. And as you can see behind me, there's a Tim Hortons over there. See, Tim Hortons behind me?
Yeah.
Yeah. So,
And legit, it smells just like normal coffee.
yeah, it does. Let's give it a go. Tastes like coffee.
Okay.
I got a little bit more. A little weak.
Put a little bit more in there.
Yeah, a little bit. Spice it up a little. But it tastes like coffee. Ain't no Starbucks out here either.
Oh, this is the next best thing, I guess, right?
Yeah, gotta be. That's all you got. Stir it up really good. It's got like nice color.
Yeah.
Got a little wood flavoring in here.
A little wood flavoring.
Tastes just like coffee.
That's awesome.
Yeah, good stuff.
Ciao, kids.
That's what they call Sherp. Stop.
Itchy. What you got going on, Bob? Hey? Minnows. A little bit of a water problem with this boat.
Ontario Truckers the Village.
Yeah.
Product line.
Targeting.
Catching police.
What do you get?
Trout. One. Wait. 1, 2.
What the?
What?
What the?
We got none. They're a trout, it looks like.
Oh yeah, see? What the hell's going on? How many?
Chickies. Oh, like chickies to me.
Oh.
Oh yeah. What kind of pickle was that?
Yeah.
It looked like leaky trout to me.
Okay.
How many you got? Better than us.
22.
Only
No
2.
wonder we're not catching anything. He's got them all. These things are probably scared of this big ass Sherp jumped in it. Look at this thing floating, Jen.
I know.
Can you get some film here of this?
Yeah.
Just seeing it submerged like that.
Yeah. Pretty awesome.
An ultimate bug-out mobile.
Yeah.
It truly is.
Yeah.
If you really had to bug out, we asked the owner, Burt, how much one of these tires are. They're $9,000 each.
Yeah.
The fish are? Oh, so they're hungry? We just gotta get her down, eh? You're not deep enough.
Little tricks.
Little trick. Bending the wobbler. Thanks, Burt.
Hey, Dad.
I didn't even try that.
Okay. I got some work to do. Got to take that off. A single hook connected to this. Stitchy, what's going on? Are you tired? Catching all those minnows and those frogs?
Got them off it.
I know.
Not that.
They're good, eh? That's great. Small. Get those little ones that drop out. All right, rock and roll. We're ready for round 2.
Throw it back in that spot. That was amazing.
Just a little bit of bread in there, you're good to go. Eat the minnows.
Get that in ya.
Is that good, boy?
Oh,
I think I got a fish.
What?
I think I got a fish.
You wanna go with the net, Riley?
Get the net. It's on. Oh, never mind. It's a stickerel.
It's a stickerel.
Watch out, Stitch.
He's a funny looking pickerel.
Those are nice size.
Yeah. It's small.
Oh, it's a nice size.
Small.
That is not small. No.
Wait till you see a fish.
Huh?
Wait till you see a fish.
Oh, I'm excited. Look at the
I'm
we
stoked.
got fish like this. Look how big our fish are.
Right, yeah.
Little babies.
Look at the color.
Yeah.
They're beautiful.
We're not starving.
We got my bird and the fish.
Mm-hmm.
Night fish fry with fish and chips. But the chips are going to be like Lay's or something like
No,
that.
they're going to be my pressure can potatoes.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Ooh,
Yeah.
bake them in that fire.
I'm just going to...
Lemon foil.
Do we have foil? I have foil.
You know what? We should have fucking grabbed more of those onion tops yesterday when I was there. I just should have got more and brought them.
Yeah.
Because when you do this kind of stuff, you can throw them in.
Yeah.
Comes in the boat.
On. Awesome, brought it in.
Oh my god.
There we go.
That's a weird looking pickerel.
Wow.
Perfect.
It do work.
Holy shit, you got it all down his gourd.
Yeah. Yeah.
Crap.
All right.
Woo! I got pears in my bag.
Okay.
No. Hang on. Fucking hold yous. I've lost fish like this before. Grab
It's
it.
basically Alex's fish.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just put your hand right inside its mouth.
This little lodge here. Can we go up and walk with them?
Yeah.
Come on, let's go.
You hold it.
There you go.
That's your baby.
Huh? Are you scared of it?
No.
Come on.
I know, 1 second.
Come on.
I gotta take your photo. I gotta take.
Put it in your hands.
I know.
So we don't
Okay.
even have to go anywhere, is what you're telling me.
There you go. Let me. Pouring rain out there. Thunder, lightning. Soaking wet, pugs. Everything's getting wet. Hey? Gotta get warmed up. There you go. Stitchies over here. Guys are cutting the wood. I think the sun's gonna be coming out there soon, so that's good. Get your towel. Warm you up, baby guys. I keep the water away from the tent. We set this thing up. Should I be feeling the bottom?
You feel it?
No.
Okay, let's roll in.
Put more line out. Okay. I think it's weeds. Oh yeah, weeds. I can feel the weeds. Okay, I think I'm out. you go pee off the Sherp. Don't fall in.
Two's not gonna be enough for a meal, eh?
No. Someone's gonna have to go get me another one.
Maybe you can eat that.
I don't know if I can know. What the heck is that, Dad? I'm too tired. It was a long day. Gotta block the wind. Got beans ready to go. Fish ready. Batter. Eggs. Always keep the eggs in your preps. 100%. Crusher can. Potatoes.
Yeah, I think that helps a lot.
Oh yeah. Now, gotta go more towards Burt's way.
More to Burt?
Yeah.
I can't go.
Editing.
The wind.
Fish. Woo!
These pipes this pipe. Got me a little fleet over here.
This is how we do it.
You remember where those trays went, Triggy?
Trays.
The paper trays? Paper plates?
Yeah, they're in the Sherp.
Where, in the back?
Yeah. No, in the front.
Nothing too many left.
Yeah. No, there's lots left.
Yeah. We're only using 2 or 3 last night.
I washed them off.
Hey,
Burt got the record today. He got, what, four fish? Yeah. Northern Girl got 1. Riley got 1. Jared Prepper got 1. Alex 0. Alex 0. He's just having a bad day.
Oh, yay!
I believed in him.
Way to go, Kevin.
Yeah.
Awesome.
I believed in you, Dad.
look at that, he's off.
Nice.
I'll just hold the rod down.
Great.
There we go. Oh, watch. What's his face? He wants that lure.
Beautiful. Perfect.
I can knock him out.
Perfect size.
Shuggy.
I got one.
Oh, I got it up in there.
Shuggy's in the right spot.
Oh, yeah.
Well, we're fishing in the rain. We got thunder and lightning happening. All right. That's good size.
Honk, honk.
Thank you, Creator.
Now we're going to be having lake trout for supper. Pressure can potatoes, beans.
Yeah.
Ooh, what?
out with the left hand. They're pressure canned, so they're already cooked, so I'm not worried. Very classy.
Doing the stuff.
Doing the shit, yeah. 100%.
Oh, I think it's 18 or 20.
Little pickerel in here. What do you think? You know, are you staying with us or are you going back in there, boy? What happened? Daddy leave you?
Bird on a tree. I'm
Edible.
just sitting here. I got time.
Wintergreen. Tastes like mint.
It's clear to see
Make a tea.
from up here.
Yum. Blueberries. Not in abundance this year. Lots of moss and lichens here.
We can
False
sit
pixie cup lichen.
together. It's so beautiful. You and me. We meant
Clean up the campsite. Old cans.
rain outdoors.
Charlotte! Get!
They're in the tent.
Okay. We got Haba Baba making fire. Haba Baba is making fire. I know, that's my shuggy. That's my shuggy.
Oh.
Meant to be. Great outdoors.
What they got, Riley?
They got two nice, beautiful fish.
It's Blake. Awesome. Look at the size of that one.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Wow. Good job, guys.
Yep. Phenomenal. It's just in a field of freaking
All right. Yeah.
clean them.
Okay. So we got the generator here. The Honda EU. Thing is super light, super quiet, and it's got an eco mode. EU 2200. It's on eco mode, super fuel efficient. Here's the eco right here. So that's been powering up our little freezer here. Fish are piling up. Burt wanted to go home with a freezer full, and it's getting there. So we got a couple hours travel on the way back. We'll see if we can get some more. Awesome. All right.
This one looks like a little rainbow trout.
Squeakers.
I'll go grab the big one.
All right. Just frozen water bottles in there too. One more.
I got the big one.
All right. That's awesome. Scarlett's being sneaky over there.
I'm getting the fish.
Oh, Bundy's got the dogs.
Can't lose the dog, Reed.
No, you can't lose the dogs. Loading up. Northern girl, give me room up there for the dogs and us. Okay.
Some really good products here. Not just pads. Totally awesome.
Well, yeah, try
No,
it.
Bundy not.
That's Alex's new nickname.
It's a green.
Bundy.
Yeah.
You did, Bundy.
Thank you. Got the roof on top right, eh?
Scarlett's open now.
Oh yeah.
Maybe you can get up this
Scarly, get off there. You're gonna rip it.
Can you get this Bundy now, dude?
Yeah, that's not that hard. You got more
Oh
fingers.
yeah, look at this.
You got more fingers than me. Come on, Uncle P. Ontario Pepper. OP in the house. Yeah, you know
Bundy
me.
not going now.
OPP.
Scarlett, get out of there.
That's
Come on.
survival skill.
You're gonna rip the tent.
It's a trick knot.
Come here.
I'm glad you chose that one.
Got it.
See, I knew you.
Come here.
How many of these Bundy knots can you do? Just the one?
Just the one. That's my girl.
Gotta push it.
That's my girl.
Gotta push it through.
Dun, dun, dun.
Gotta push
Dun, dun, dun.
it. Go.
Scarlet.
Bundy.
Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun.
Gotta push it through.
I know. You
Scarlett,
guys are both
stop.
in the same predicament. Impatient. Oh, be thankful we help.
Oh, good grief.
Chart around. Al Bundy. Bundy. Goes back over. There's Stitchberry there. Captain this boat. His girlfriend. Scarlet Boo Boo. Loading up. It's a gorgeous spot here. We're very high in elevation here too. It's like been phenomenal. This has been a great trip. We got to do a lot of our prepper skills, doing the stuff.
put it back up, eh? Look at
Watch that window if it's open, you're gonna spear.
It's not open.
No windows are open.
Lobster mushroom here, look at here. Lobster tail. Here. Try to get it under there. There we go.
You guys get water in the front?
He's been down this road before, eh?
Oh yeah.
He's having a nap.
He's snoring.
Yeah.
We're gonna have a little minnow feast tonight.
Oh, Gigi. Oh, yeah. Here you go, baby.
Back at the scrapyard. Made it back safe. Little party for the chickens and the rooster. You like that, eh, Gigi? Better get some more there, Pedro. There you go. That's easy.
Riley! Pedro!
Hey everyone, Ontario Prepper here. Today we're at South Bay Mouth departing to Tobermory, Ontario. I want to do a big shout out to Northern Girl Hobbies, Alex, Burt the Sherp driver. We had a great time. Hope everybody learned from our little trip here. As much as we enjoyed doing it for you, the filming locations that we were at, they were excellent. I hope you guys enjoyed the film. We look forward to doing this again. Like I said, another big shout out to Northern Girl Hobbies, Ontario Prepper.
Hi everyone, we are live.
Hi everyone, Ground Zero here.
Live with our veteran, Kevin, aka Ontario Prepper. How is it going over there?
Well, it started off this morning where everybody was a little bit sad and stuff about everything that's going on with the Emergency Measures Act and so on. As you can see, what I've seen today is the mood started to lift at about noon today. And there's more smiles on faces. The children I've seen today